Yay, Jenny's playing. Jenny's riding her bicycle very well. She's happy. Come here now. Come here, baby. Jenny. Come on. Yay. No, come here. Come here. Come here. Please come here. Yay. Jenny, look here. Look at me. She's happy. She's not looking. Oh! Accident. I told you, be careful. Come on, get up. Faizan is playing there, but he's quite happy but tired because it's a windy and he cannot control his ball. Yes. And every time he kicks the ball, it turns to him and it's going towards him again, and he's tired. Yeah, come on. You cannot be tired, man. Yes. What? Okay. Tell me. Here is what? There is what? This is the much? This is not the much. What? Uncle is going. Yeah, look at me. Say hi. Say hi. Where? And Faizan is feeling really tired. What happened, Faizan? Tell me. What happened actually?
I'm tired of it.
Yeah, because this is wind. Wind out. It's very windy. Whoa. Yeah. Okay, so what do you want to do now? You don't know? Take a break, take some water. Even though it's Ramadan, but still you can drink a water if you are not keeping a fast. Okay, you are not fasting, so yes.
I wish we could have a heavy
Walaikum assalam. Kaise hai bhai, theek hai?
I wish we could have a heavy ball so we could get properly.
Yeah, we will bring the heavy ball as well, no worries. Okay guys, so this was Faizan and Jenan. They were playing out here in Bahrain, and this is a beautiful mosque here just in front of our house. You can see this yellow building, it's our house, and this is just in front. The masjid name is Jamia Mahfouz As-Saeed Al-Zayani. Nowadays, due to this coronavirus outbreak, it's closed, and we are hoping that it will be soon open, inshallah. Jenny, say bye. Jenny, can you say bye? Faizi, say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yes, what do you want to say?
I think my sister won't be tired because she's just riding.
Yeah, she's not tired. She's in full energy. Look at her, Jenny. Jenny.
But her face is a bit red.
Yes, this is just because of the sunlight. It's a heavy sunlight.
Red's gone now.
Yeah, so say bye and see you around. Jenny, say bye. Jenny, say bye.
Bye.
See you.
See you.
Yay.